Yo, what's going on, everybody? Damn, what is up with my hair, bro? Yo, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. So we're gonna start the video off a little bit different today. So I want to show you guys a little update on my current lineup. Now, you guys already know we got the SVJ. I wrapped it satin black, kept all these blue accents and everything here, and then we have the blue accents on the back. We have my second SVJ. We have my McLaren Pista, and we have my brand new McLaren 600 LT. It's super dirty. Then my Urus over there, that's my girl's car. It's super dirty, so we're gonna go get it cleaned. But bro, this car is literally insane. Full carbon fiber. For those of you who've been following me for a while, you guys know I had a 600 LT previously, but the difference with this one is we have the Senna seat carbon fiber, the carbon fiber Senna seat option. So anyways, guys, we're gonna go now for a little drive. Probably gonna go to Starbucks, get the car washed, and then you guys will see the breakdown on how I made $56,000 yesterday's trading day. You guys will see that video literally live. Not really from start to finish, but maybe like the halfway point from the finish, from the ending of the trade. So anyways, guys, let's get on with the rest of the video. All right, guys, I had to go back inside and grab an iPhone charger because I completely forgot. Anyways, it's such a mission getting in and out of this thing. But once you're already in, like, you're good. This is like the interior view, and like, bro, these seats literally hug you. So anyways, let's get like a little cold start here on the 600. Oh, God. Bro, I missed owning the McLaren so much. But anyways, guys, my camera's about to die, so I'm gonna let it charge for a little bit, and then I'll continue to update you guys later on. Alright, everybody, so I just made it to the car wash. Now I am in a touchless car wash, plus my car has a full ceramic coat and PPF, so I'm not worried about the paint getting scratched. I'm not worried about anything getting damaged, just kind of throwing that out there. So anyways, gonna get the car washed, gonna go back to the house. We'll start the breakdown then and there. But bro, this car is just so amazing. I'm so glad I bought one. Like, I couldn't be happier. And let me put you guys on real quick, because this is literally like my trading drink. Hold up. Every New York session. Alright, that's it. That's all you're getting. That's literally all you're getting. But besides that. Alright, what's going on, everybody? So really quick, look at the top left hand side of the screen. You can see that this is a live account. I only trade on live accounts. I don't trade on simulated accounts or demo accounts. And this is like my 5th time recording this, because I just had so many errors. I don't know why. But anyways, this is a live account. You can see this is moving, and you know, whatever the case might be is also shown on camera as well. And with my webcam back here, let's get into the actual breakdown itself. Just kind of wanted to show you guys my 2 running positions here on gold. One position is up 30 pips, one position is up 40 pips. So anyways, when it came down to this gold short, really what I'm looking at here is a fib play, mainly looking for that continuation to the downside, looking to hop on the trend. Again, I'm sure most of you guys have heard this, you know, saying that the trend is your friend. That is very true. You as a little retail trader do not want to be going against the big banks, hedge funds, and institutions when, you know, the market is going bearish, right? So anyways, when it came down to gold on the weekly time frame, one thing I did see initially is that we pretty much have almost a straight shot. You know, we have, you know, a few levels that we can mark off looking left from previous structure, but they're not major levels of structure, right? A more major level of structure that we're going to be looking at gold to go in the long term is going to be 1700, which is about 280 pips away, which I don't think we're going to get there this week. That would be insane if we can get there today, but you know, that's super unrealistic. I highly doubt that's going to happen, right? But anyway, something I always tell my students, which by the way, the course is now shut down. You're no longer able to purchase the course, but it is shut down. So anyways, I'll have a registration link soon. If for those of you who want to apply to the actual course, we won't be accepting everybody. You're gonna actually have to apply to the new program, but that's besides the point. So anyways, you always want to determine your overall directional bias based off of the daily time frame, the weekly time frame, and the 4-hour time frame. Once you've identified market structure and you identified market direction on the weekly, daily, and the 4-hour time frame, then you can go down into the hour time frame. So if the weekly, daily, and 4-hour are telling you sell, we should only be looking to sell on the hour or the 30-minute time frame as day traders here. So anyways, if we look at the daily time frame, we could clearly determine that this market is in a bearish market condition. Price keeps breaking under its previous market structure lows and forming lower lows. Now we can see a little bit more detail on the 4-hour here, which is going to be a little more important to us because we need to be able to read this detail and be able to interpret what this data is telling us. So when looking at market structure, right, you as a trader need to be able to determine what market structure is looking like. We have lower lows, lower highs being formed here, right? So what's the probability of price, again, continuing to make new lows when we're in a bearish trend? So really this setup was taken based off of a fib play, right? Like I've always talked about in the online course, there's going to be structure within inside of structure. There's going to be trends within inside of trends, right? In this situation here on gold, we have this level of internal structure here where I have this red horizontal line at about 1733, where there was some indecision with price here, as you can see. Then we go to the 4-hour or the hourly time frame, and we have a big impulse to the upside, right? Point A, point B. This is how we use our Fibonacci tool, right? We look at price's previous lower high point before big impulse to the downside, and then we have a nice lower low point. You know, that was pretty simple fib setup there. Price pulled back to its previous level of structure at the 50%, formed a double top pattern, and I actually ended up getting in right at the 50% because I traded a little bit more aggressively. I looked to get in near the level, which actually we just hit our second take profit again. So let me call it out in the signals. TP1 hit again, right? So anyways, looking for gold to actually come back down to the 1724 range, which would be very probabilistic that it does. We're only about 30 pips away. Let's see if it could break 1724 and travel into 1721. Once it hits 1724, I'll start trailing my stop loss here. So currently up about $35,000 on this position. Going to be looking to close here sometime soon. Recently, I've been closing my trades a little bit earlier than I wanted to on gold, right? So I had taken a couple of positions along here, and my initial plan was to get out somewhere down here at 1728, but I ended up closing the position at 1733, right when I hit that level of support, in fear for losing that profit again. But it is what it is. I had previously not taken a loss, but I had broke even. I literally had a perfect entry right here. Even though I don't worry about my entries like that too much, I had a perfect entry right here. Price came all the way down to here, and then I moved my stops break even, broke me even after being up like $15,000. And you guys got to remember the psychological state that you're going to be in when trading these high volume lot sizes, right? You're going to have $10,000, $15,000, $20,000 fluctuations in your P&L, right? And my stop loss was a pretty nice size stop loss. My entries are around this area here, right? I had about a 30 some pip stop loss, 35 pip stop loss, which currently, you know, we're up 50 pips on this position. But even on this 20 lots, right? Let's move this and modify this to do right click profit as money, right? Even on this 20 lots alone, that's fucking 10 grand. So anyways, that's beyond the point though, guys. So currently I'm up $37,000. Let's kind of wait and see what the position does, and I'll continue to update you guys like always. So hopefully we can have a nice straight shot to 1724. All right, wanted to give you guys a quick update. Currently up 53-ish K. Looks like we're about to hit 1724 considering on closing, but volume is holding strong, so it's giving me a good indication that I could hold my position for a little bit longer. Let's wait and see if price can pass 1724 and come to 1722 for an extra 20 pips, which, you know, with these types of lots, 20 pips is 16 grand. So we'll wait and see what's up. Just wanted to update you guys real quick. Probably gonna go to Starbucks, and then we'll see what's up. All right, everybody, so I did just end up closing my position. So I ended up closing for about a $56,000 gain pretty much shortly after I finished recording that last segment previously. So pretty decent trading day, almost, you know, bagged around 100 pips almost, right? Not quite there, you know, we were like 20 pips off, but you know, it was right there. It was a really good trade, you know, played out very well. You know, very simple standard setup here. Decided to get out at my second target. which would be our main level of support. And the reasoning behind that is because we are trading at a daily level of support. And, you know, it's 56 grand, it's 56 grand, you know. So I decided to actually close the position, especially since we haven't had a real pullback just yet. I do potentially see price giving us a little bit of a steeper pullback, maybe into 1742 before continuing down to the 1700 range, which would be very nice, because then it gives us a nice range to actually swing from 1742 down to 1723. Let's see what's going to happen Thursday London session tonight. It's about 6 in the morning, 7 in the morning. I'm going to go to sleep now. I've been pretty much trading since London session, or monitoring my position since London session. You know, I'm very happy with today's trade. It literally couldn't have gone any smoother. Made back the loss that I took on GBP JPY, so I lost about $6,000 here on GJ. So we're overall in a net profit of about $50,000 for the trading day. And of course, you guys already know I call every single trade here in the signal room. So you know, they caught it with me as well, and I've actually been absolutely killing it on gold. I don't think I have a losing trade this week on gold. I only have one losing trade, I believe, on GJ from what I could recall, and almost every single trade I called was, you know, 3 times my risk. So, you know, very good trade. And as you can see, price is starting to, you know, there's buyers are starting to come into the market at this price here. So let's wait and see what happens on the next trading day. You know, if you guys like these videos, you know, just comment you want to see more of these types of videos. Anyways, guys, so one last time, top left hand side of the screen, it is a live account, only trade live money. That's about it. So hopefully you guys did understand the breakdown. It literally couldn't have been as simple as that. And I'll talk to everybody in the next video.